when he was running the office, he was doing it alone instead of working together with the members of the national steering who are seated here today.
Githagathago no githiete na mbere na kuyumiria kiama-ini kia arutani ni KNUT thutha wa kuhagurwo kwa Wilson Sosion ta mwandiki munene wa kiama giki na ithenya riake rikaiyukio ni Hesbon Otieno uria urari munini wake. Ministry ya uruti wa wira riu ni kuranite Hesbon Otieno ta mwandiki mukaru wa ihinda kiama-ini giki hamwe na mogaruruku maria maratabanirio utongoria-ini wa kiama giki.
Most of the decisions that he was making, we were seeing them on media, and when we advised him on how he should operate with us, he was not doing it the way that he was not working together with us.
Arutania makoretwo merumite kini makiuga no nginyagia Sosion ehere giturwa-ini giki thutha wake kurutwo register-ini ya arutani guku nake akiuga ndakwehera undu uria urehete ndugamano.
And I'm not about to apologize for any work I've done, any statements I've made, and I am not on trial. Na hakuna mahali naenda, sipanduki, sitoki, mpaka wenyewe waniambie.
It's like today the skills are not applicable. Step aside, let us see how the game will be. So we don't want to open any duel.
Kumana na ikinya ria ministry gukurana mogaruruku macio, Sosion kuhitukira wakiri wake gucerwa ni augite ni egucoka igoti-ini kuregana na ikinya riu riria augite ni mugaru na watho.
Solidarity forever.
Ado-ini ha Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro jitagwo Maina wa Mwandiki.